In this lesson, we are going to learn about the icon button, where icon, we learned in the previous lesson, also acts as a button. We can use the onPressed property to define what will happen when the function is pressed. We can also give a hint of what the button does by setting its tooltip property. Of course, we can control the appearance of the button with its size and color property. Now, let's begin. Today we are going to learn about IconButton class. IconButton is one of the type of buttons and uses icon-like button. Like other buttons, we can create an onPressed function to control the behavior of pressing. In addition to changing the color of the icon button, it is possible to change the color according to the status of the button, such as hover color, focus color, splash color, and etc. IconButton is primarily used in the action field of an app bar, but it is also available elsewhere. Let's look at this example code. This code is a stateful app that enables and disables the like icon button. First, we are going to make a basic framework for the stateful widget. In state class, set the isFavorited variable to the bold type. As we learned in the last lesson, all states must be initialized through initState. It initializes the value of isFavorited to true and calls the initState of the parent class through super initState function. After initialization, wrap IconButton with the body of the scaffold structure with the center widget. Set the condition statement to the icon property of IconButton. We will use the ternary operator. It is a dart operator that takes only 3 operands: a condition followed by a question mark, an expression to be executed if the condition is true, followed by a colon, and an expression to be executed if the condition is false. To elaborate on the conditional statements used in this code, IconFavorite is selected if the variable is true, and IconFavorite border is selected if it is false. We are going to set the size of the icon as 40. Set the onPressed function that changes the isFavorited variable to the opposite value when clicked using setState. The color property is also set with the ternary operator. Red if the isFavorited is true, and gray if it is false. Tooltip property displays user-specified text by the long presses or holding the cursor over IconButton. Now let's try running this code. We are expecting to get an icon button in the center of the body. Because isFavorited value is true at first, it's going to be favorite and the color is red. When we hover this icon, it says press the icon button, just like we set as a tooltip. So if we press this button, the isFavorited value becomes false, and this icon will change to favorite border, and the color will change from red to gray. So as you can see, it switches back and forth if we press this button. Now try to practice this for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the different results and outputs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.